what's inside my EDC sling bag, which is the Aer Day Sling 3 X-PAC version. So as you can see, it's quite full, it's quite heavy, not so much for EDC, but a little bit for sling. And what you have first on the outside is the Aer Clip Mini, as you can see here. I put it on this loop, and I use it for hanging my sling when I'm somewhere, so for it not to touch the floor, for example. So I use it like this, as you can see, and then I put it somewhere and it will hang like this. Okay, so this is my outside gear. So it's a Aer Clip Mini. It's quite nice. You don't need to have it, but it's useful, and it's always on me like this. Okay. Then we have the front pocket, which is this one. What I have here is a cloth to wipe my glasses, as you can see here. It goes out like this, okay? And then I have, so this is a keychain holder from the bag. Then I have a little S-biner, as you can see here. I have this, and then I have my Swiss Army knife, which I really like, from Victorinox. I will put the link in the description if you're interested. I really like the color. And then that's about it in the front pocket, because in the front pocket, when I have something like a ticket or something, I put it inside. And so I use this pocket as a dump pocket, okay? So next, going to the main compartment. If I open it, it's the main attraction of the game. Yeah, it falls because I have it like this, but if you have it normally flat, it will not fall like this. Okay, so what I have here, and the first thing that fell is this, which are some earbuds from Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro. I have had them for 2 years. It's awesome. The box is awesome too. I really like it. Then I have here some more gadgets. So if you watch my channel, you may already know it. It's the Rovivan Aurora 828, which is a very nice light, EDC light, and you can do a lot of things with this. You can watch my video about this little light. Next, I have something maybe less fancy, less tissue, reusable tissue. So you have here the new tissue, brand new, clean, and then when you are done with your stuff, you put the old one here, like this, and it will push the new ones. So, for example, I will do it. So I use this, okay. I use it to do my stuff. You may know, up, you put it when you're finished, when it's dirty, you put it like this, then you close it, and you have the brand new tissue still on the bottom. And as you saw, there is a separator between the, as you can see, this is a separator between the dirty and the brand new tissues. Okay, so put this to the side. I will put everything to the side, maybe it's easier. Here, so since this is a slim, a quite small sling bag, you can fit, I have a video about it, a bigger bottle, but if you fit a bigger bottle, you have less space for the rest. So I choose to go with this Stanley Orange 8 O's, as you can see here. So I think 8 O's is around 300 milliliters, something like this. And the advantage of this is quite flat, so you can really fit it nicely in the bag. And if I open it, it opens like this. It's full of water, actually. You can see the water. And yeah, it's quite nice. I choose this color because I think it goes well with the X-PAC. So yeah, that's about it. It was my water bottle. Then going on, we have here PIC design. The the branding disappeared, but this is a Peak Design packable tote. So it's a tote bag when I have to go shopping, for example. I have this inside my main backpack and I can just deploy it like this, as you can see. And the advantage of this tote bag, so you have a very good thing here. You have the Peak Design branding on the side here, and the biggest advantage is that you have a zip. So it's a tote bag, but you can close it with this main zip. So it's quite nice. Okay, that's about it for this. Then I have this thing. I don't remember the name in English, but it's something to put around your neck to not feel cold. And it's like this, you know, you put it around your head, and it's made of merino wool. So yeah, it's quite warm, it's quite slim, it doesn't smell so good. Then, as you can see, there is nothing more here. And here I have this, which is a USB-C cable, because I have a battery inside. So my phone is in my pocket most of the time, but when I need to charge it, I just put it here and I plug the USB-C cable and it's charging. So as you can see, it's charging. So that's perfect. And when I don't need to charge it, I just leave it like this. And inside you can see my Samsung battery inside the pouch. I really appreciate this battery because it's quick charge for Samsung. So 25 watt charging. And last, in this pocket, I have my Kindle to read some books. And this is a cover I bought. It's a Kindle from 2017, I don't remember. And maybe it's Kindle Paperwhite free or something like this. Okay, and that's about it. Inside here, I can put some more stuff if I need to. I don't need to. The last thing I have is remembering some dark days of our history. I still have one of these, and just in case there is a COVID breakdown. I don't know. So if you close this, the only last thing I can show you is a hidden pocket here. And what I use it for, normally you can use it for passport, ID or whatever. I use it for this because I have some glasses and some prescription glasses, and I have a model that has something to adapt like this, to use it as sunglasses. Okay, so I just clip this on my normal glasses, and I have sunglasses, so it's very flat. You have also some packable glasses, but for me, I choose this for format. And I think that's about it. It was what's in my sling. Yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to like it, to put some comments if you have some questions, and subscribe please, it really helps the channel. Every gear in this video will be featured in a link down below in the video description. So if you want to support the channel, or if you like one of the gear, you can use the link and I will get a little something. So thank you very much, don't forget to subscribe, bye bye!